sweet, Aiden. Look at me.
Smile. There you go. There you go. Don't move, otherwise the picture doesn't come out.
Chill out. Chill.
Who's that, Mom? Mom, are you responsible for that? What do you think of that, Gabby?
It
is so weird.
Weird.
Got it. And he's going to take a video.
I know, I'm taking a video right now.
There we go.
This thing won't turn on.
I think there's a...
There's Dan.
Are you
I'll
turning
have to get some black makeup.
I got some.
There's some in there.
What are you tonight, Aiden? What's your costume?
She's a Grim Reaper.
It's not recording.
Grim Reaper.
The Girl Reaper.
Girl Reaper.
I thought you were a geisha girl.
You have the red lipstick?
Smile to the camera. Yeah, keep pressing that way.
I don't think I need to do it. But I'm not going to do it around your face and your mouth until after you eat.
You can look this on the computer. Oh, let's do it on. Remember? Oh my gosh. Remember when it shows it to the world?
Yeah.
Oh, let's do that.
You look very white.